Hello everyone. So in this video we'll do an interesting question. Finding a duplicate inside an array. Okay. Example, we have been given this array. Okay. And there are values one, let's just 3, 2, 7, 8, let's say 9, and let's say 2. Who is duplicate? 2 is present 2 times, right? Other than that, everything is present only one time. So this is something we need to find. So not here, not this one. This. So straight. This one. We need to find the value which is repeating 2 times again, which is duplicate in my array. How can we do this? Any idea? We can do this like this, that okay, great. You can come here, you pick this element, you pick this element, compare this element with the rest of the elements. You compare with this. Is 1 equal to 2 3? No. Is 1 equal to 2? No. This equal to 7? No. How will I know? This is stored at a of I, where I equal to 0. Okay, I'll compare the value from a of I to I plus 1. Again I'll do plus plus, and I'll compare with everything. Yeah, I'll compare this value basically with all the values. I saw that I did not find the value. So will I stop? No. I'll be like, okay, you did not find me the value. That means you are unique. That means you are only present one number, only one time. I'll come to this tree. Now I came to this tree. Okay. Sorry. Just a second. Now I came to this tree. I'm like, hey, three. Okay, first let me something. Do I need to compare this with this? Obviously no, because if in case they were same, then when I was comparing this only, then only it would have given me the answer, right? So I'll compare 3 with the remaining elements from this, 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 and this. Okay, I'll be here at 2. Okay, even 3 I'll be finding it unique. I'll be at 2 and I'll be like, okay, compare 2. I'll be like, okay, fine. Are you equal? No. Are you equal? No. Are you equal? No. Are you equal? Yes. Stop. That means you are duplicate. Since you are present, that means you are duplicate. Since you are present twice, or basically since the value at this position is equal to value at this position, that means they are equal. Make sense? Suppose this was 7 and suppose this was 2 out here. I would have been like, okay, compare, it's not equal, compare, it's not equal, compare, it's not equal, compare, it's not equal. Okay, then again I'll move to this specific 2 and I'll be like, okay, compare, not equal, compare, not equal, compare, yes, equal. That means stop, just return this value. Make sense? That means it's sure that our array will contain one duplicate. Okay, so let's see how we'll do this. Okay, let's just see how we'll do this. Again I'm saying, once you are at this position, example, if at 2, do we need to go and search from here? No, because this part already have searched, right? If in case it was there, then I would have got it from there, from the very beginning itself. In case if 7 was present, then 7 would have already been equal to any value. It's just what I'm saying. Just give me a second. Just if I have compared till 7, okay, and I didn't find the value, that means 7 was compared with this already, right? That means obviously this was not equal. That's the reason I'm coming here, right? So as soon as I came here, I'll have to compare it with the remaining elements. Okay, I'll have to compare with the remaining elements. So let's just try and just see how we're gonna do this. So I'll erase this. Okay, let's just create the element. Okay, let's create the array. So we were creating the array as 100, right? So we will just use 5 elements. So let's be sure enough that we'll be using only 5. Okay, so let's just create 5. Okay, we are sure that we'll use only 5 elements, and also let's even give the values as this: 1 2 5 4 6 9 8. Okay, and let's say 9. So who is the duplicate? 9 is present two times. Okay, how many elements are given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I've given 8, so let's just take 8. Okay, let's just take it. Okay, now come in. I got my array and I got my int ns equal to 8. Okay, let's just take it because already we know the size is 8. Okay, now I'll like, okay, find duplicate. I'll create this function that will find the duplicate. Okay, I'll give it the value of array and I'll give it the value of array. I'm like, hey, you duplicate, find duplicate. You go and bring the element and you store it in the answer. Okay, as soon as you bring, that means this will bring an element. Okay, I will just print it. Okay, I'll just print like see out answer of answer. Okay, let's go and make the function. The functions are returned an integer because there is a duplicate present out here, so it is an integer, right? So after that, find duplicate is the function name. Duplicate, just copy from here itself. That's the people, so I won't try it now. So just copying it. Okay, so it is an array, so int arr array integer n. Okay, so you can start from 0th element. Okay, so let's just take a loop for int I equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus. Okay, we need to compare which elements, the I plus 1 element. Okay, so I'll be like, okay, take one more loop, int I j equal to I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because j will contain the value of I plus 1. If I equal to 0, then I need to compare the value of I with I plus 1. In case if I plus 1 don't match, didn't match, then again I plus 2. That means if 1 didn't match, okay, I'll just tell you. Just take the example and then understand. Let's take 2, 3, 2, 4 example. Okay, so if this value didn't match with this I plus 1, this is I, right? If this did not match with I plus 1, then I need to actually increase the value of j, and I have to search here I plus 2 till when, till the end of the array, right? In case if this was supposed to be, let's say this, okay, then 1 will be first compared with I plus 1, they are not same. It will be compared with I plus 2, they are not same. It will be compared with I plus 3. That means it will be compared with index 1, index 2 and index 3. After being compared with index 3, it's like, okay, since I have reached the end of my array, that means I am not a duplicate element, I am a unique element. Okay, makes sense? So that's something we need to do. We will be running this loop till when, till j is less than equal to j less than n, right? And j plus plus. What we're supposed to do, if in case your array of r element equal ar of j, what did I do out here? That means I'm saying that, hey, whatever is the element of 0th index, if it is equal to the 1 index, okay, that means that is my answer. So just return the value. Making sense what's happening? And why I'm writing here I plus 1? Because see, in case value of I is 0 now, that means it will start go and compare from 1 to n. Okay, I'll just give you the example. It will be better, much more better, right? Example is the best part to understand, right? I have 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, let's say. Okay, so I'll be like, okay, this value I'm at 0 index. Okay, so AR of I means this, right? AR of 0 means this element. It is going to be compared with AR of a I plus 1, that means 1, right? I equal to 0 right now, so 1, it is not equal, right? Increase the value of j will be increased by 1, so compared with a of 2, it is not equal. Compared to a of 3, not equal. Compared with a of 4, okay, not equal. Now since they are not equal, great, they are not equal, that means I have to now increase the value of I from 0 to 1. That means after this loop, inner loop ends, it did not find any match, then my outer loop will increase the value of I by 1. Okay, that means now my element will be here, a of 1. Okay, I'm out here, then do I need to go back? No, I need to go in the front. That's the reason the j will again restart from I plus 1. I plus 1 means now since I equal to 1, I plus 1 means I equal to 2, right? If I plus 1, so it will start from here. Okay, it will be like, okay, I plus 1 is this. I plus 1 is basically your j. So a of j is pointing at this. So now this will be compared with this. They are not equal, great. I'll be comparing again with this. They aren't equal. Okay, then no, fine, no problem. I'll compare with this. As soon as I compare and the value becomes greater than n, I'll be like, okay, see, the array is, you have already traversed the whole array. Now increase the value of I. Okay, then the inner loop will stop. The value of I will be increased by 1. Now I will be pointing here. E of I will be pointing here with I value equal to 2. Who will be a j pointing to? A j is starting from I plus 1. So ARR j will be pointing here, right? I'm like, hey, AII equal to AJ. ARR I equal to AJ, yes, it is equal. That means this is the element. That means whatever is present out here, return it. Either it return ARRI or return ARRJ, they are gonna be same, right? Because they are containing the same element. So just return any one of them. I'm returning ARRI. Okay, return this because this is the duplicate. Makes sense? And as soon as it return, the for will stop because it will come out of this whole function itself. Okay, and it will go on line number. Yes, you would have guessed it correctly. It would have gone on line number 19. This answer will actually create keep on value whatever is the duplicate, and I'm printing the value. Okay, so let's just test the elements. What is duplicate out here? It is 9, right? So we will be getting 9. Okay, that's our answer. Let's see. Let's check. Duplicate will be getting as 9. Okay, let's see. Make sense? If in case 9 was not a duplicate element, let's say 6 was a duplicate element. Okay, now only 6 is present 2 times, right? Everything is unique, so obviously I'll be getting 6. Okay, so let me just write something. Duplicate. Okay, I can add something good. Make sense? In case even your 6 is not duplicate, let's say your what is it, 2 is your duplicate. Okay, 2 is your duplicate, so 2 is your duplicate because 2 is present 2 times, even 1 here and 1 out here, right? So it will be compared, and in case if they are equal, then it will return me that specific value. So 2 will be my duplicate. Let's see. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's simple, right? I hope it's clear. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. We'll see you guys in the next video with different questions. Okay, so see you guys. Thank you.